Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Acura RDX wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, let's move on to removing the old blade. Now that the arm is in position, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to release the locking mechanism. Once released, slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook on the wiper arm. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm securely. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and crack your windshield. Place the old blade aside. With the old blade removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto your windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. After installing both new wiper blades, it's crucial to test them out. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using some washer fluid. Observe how they perform, ensuring they clear the glass smoothly and without any streaks or chattering. This confirms a proper installation and optimal visibility. For more helpful tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Drive safely with your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.